Merge interval. So given an array of intervals where interval starts and end, merge all overlapping interval and return array of non-overlapping integers that covers all the integer in the input. Okay, so for this problem, I want to have an array and keep track of what is the last element, and then while appending it, I would determine whether I can merge it or have to append a new interval. Okay, so let's say if my it is empty, then I can append 1 comma 3, and while I'm looking at this, it need to be merged, right? So because 3 is greater than my starting interval, so merge it, and a maximum will be the uh, max of number plus this. Also, we have to sort this interval because it's not sorted. So we have to sort this interval by our beginning time, right? Start time. And we will keep on determining whether we can append it or uh, use it as it is, right? So let's say merged, merged will be our result, right? So for interval in intervals, if not merged, that means if there is nothing in our merged array, then what we can do is directly append. So merge dot append of interval. Okay, if it is not there, then directly merge it. Else, right? Else, now if it is not there, then append it. Or when do we have to merge it? So merged at -1, -1 at 1 is less than interval at 0, right? So basically what we are doing is, so let's go through this example. 1, 3, right? This one. So merge it empty at this point, right? And our interval is 1 comma 3, right? And it's empty, right? So if it's not merged, then append it, right? So 1 comma 3 is appended, and I'm looking at this number 2 comma 3, right? My interval at this is not greater than, right? So my interval last index, so this at 1 3 is not less than my 2, right? So what do we have to do? We have to merge it. So the solution is merged at -1 at 1 equals to maximum of merged at -1 at 1 comma interval at 1, right? It will be the maximum. And we can also do merge at 1 comma this 0 actually equals to min of 0 comma minimum at 0. And and one thing that we have to do this is intervals dot sort, and key will be lambda given x, sort the number by x at 0, right? And at the end, what we have to do is return merged, right? So minimum is there, interval is there. If not merged or merged at 1 is less than this, then append it, okay? Yep. Okay, so this solution, right? So if it is not there, then we're appending it. Or if the interval that I'm currently looking at is in this case, right? If number previous merged interval, which is 1 comma 6, right, is less than 8, right? So 6 is less than 8. So we have to start a new interval. So we are appending 8 comma 10, right? Also in this case 15. So 15 is greater than 10, right? So we have to append it, and it's not on the merge, right? So let's see, it's accepted just now again.